Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Anusha Waleed, and my group member names are Hamish Azad, Sama bin Zayed, and Shafqat Rasool. Our final year project was PLC-based product sorting, filling, and weighing on a multi-conveyor, and our group was supervised by Dr. Bal. The purpose of this project is to increase efficiency and quality in the product, and it lessens the human power required in the industrial sector or some jobs where there are more people on one station. Now let's talk about what the project is. Basically, this project is a cost-effective automation system for sorting lightweight objects. And this project have three main parts. Number one is sorting, and second is filling, and third is weighing. The whole process is done automatically with the help of PLC, which is the programmable logic controller, and the weighing of the boxes is measured by the load cell. And we use the DC motor and the actuators to push the object from the conveyor belt. Now let's talk about the aims and objectives. Number one is we had to develop a automation system or technique that used PLC, which increases the speed and accuracy of the process of the products. And the second one is we had to build a complete system for object detection and a sorting system with the help of PLC. The last one is we had to select appropriate sensor, how they will work with the PLC and the load cell. Now let's talk about the design components. The most important and main component of this project is the PLC, and the second one is the conveyor belts, which are we using to push the object, and then we have DC gear motors, which helps us push the conveyor belt. Then we have actuators, hatch bridge, motor driver, proximity sensors, relay, and an LCD, load cell, and a microcontroller, which is Arduino. Now let's talk about the block diagram and how does this project work. First of all, we send an object to the main conveyor belt and we get the logic from the PLC. That PLC gets the logic and push the object to the height sensor. Height sensors take the limit from the PLC of what is the height of this project or product, and then it sends it to the actuator. Actuator is basically pushing the product to conveyor belt 1 or 2. If the product is large, for example, we have set the limit of a large product as 5 meters, and the small one is 2.5 meters. If the product is 5 meters, then the actuator will push the object to the conveyor belt 1, and if it is small, then it will push the object to conveyor belt 2. From there, it goes to the filling station, and filling station works with the help of Arduino, with the microcontroller we have. It fills the product, and then we push it to the weighing station and measures the weight with the help of load cell and the Arduino. Then we get the output. Now let's talk about sorting in general. First of all, we start the sensor and start the system on. We push the product to the conveyor belt, and the conveyor belt take the product to the guider for height measuring station. We see the height, what is the height, what is the limit of the height, and we send it to the small height boxes and to the large height boxes, to the medium height boxes. It depends upon what the height is. Now let's talk about weighing. First of all, we push the object and we get the input from machine. Then we send it to the conveyor belt. Then we send it to the weigh station after the actuator tells us if it goes to belt number 1, belt number 2. When with the help of load cell and the help of microcontroller, we sort the object and send it to the output. The main motivation was to provide better supervision that will lead us to a better and improved product system, and the product made will be more efficient and will make a machine which will be used in batch process industry for sorting, filling, and weighing. Let's talk about the scope of the project. Automated system will require a computerized control that will allow materials to be sorted without human control interaction. Basically, in this project there is minimal human control, so there will be no human error. The second one is it will be suitable for higher manpower jobs, like I told you before. It will be suitable in industrial sectors where there are many people in one station, and it will largely increase the quality and the efficiency. Thank you so much. And it is all.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम उसामा जाहिद है। ये हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है, मल्टी कन्वेयर सॉर्टिंग और वे कन्वेयर है। साथ में सबसे पहले हम ये एक फैटी की पीएलसी यूज़ कर रहे हैं जिसके अंदर 14 इनपुट्स हैं और 10 आउटपुट्स हैं। ठीक है, और ये साथ में हमारा एक रिले सर्किट है जो हेल्प कर रहा है मोटर्स को ऑपरेट करने के लिए। हमारे पास ये कन्वेयर बेल्ट्स हैं। कन्वेयर बेल्ट्स में यूज़ हो रही हैं डीसी गियर मोटर्स, और जिसका आरपीएम 60 आरपीएम है। और बेसिकली जो सॉर्टिंग होती है वो न्यूमेटिक सिलेंडर्स के यूज़ थ्रू होती है। न्यूमेटिक सिलेंडर जो यूज़ होते हैं पुश एंड पुल के लिए। अब न्यूमेटिक सिलेंडर्स की जगह हमने यूज़ किए हैं सीडी रोम्स जो हमें पुश एंड पुल में हेल्प कर रहे हैं, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट एक कन्वेयर से दूसरे कन्वेयर पे थ्रो करने के लिए। साथ में कुछ सेंसर्स हैं, और ये एक हम एच ब्रिज यूज़ कर रहे हैं। एच ब्रिज इसलिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं ताकि जो हमारी सीडी रोम्स की मोटर्स हैं वो फॉरवर्ड और रिवर्स मूव कर सकें।